Melanie, Alessandro, and Arseni have done a very interesting study lately. In this study, they have compared GPT-4 and its multimodal version GPT-4V with humans on abstraction and reasoning tasks using the ConceptARC benchmark. The results of this study show that neither GPT-4 version matches human-level abstract reasoning, even with detailed one-shot prompts and simplified image tasks. So for now, our jobs are safe. And that was on the lighter note, but yeah. So I think that is quite welcoming thing because there is a lot of fear running around that GPT-4 and GPT-4V especially are going to take away a lot of human jobs very, very soon. I don't think so that is the case after going through this study in detail because this study has shared a lot of good results from various domains. In the paper, which I'll share the link in video's description too, these researchers have extended work in evaluating the abstract reasoning capabilities of GPT-4, as I mentioned, using the ConceptARC corpus, which systematically tests abstraction abilities using basic core concept. They found out that GPT-4 had substantially worse performance than both humans and the first place program in the Kaggle-ARC challenge on these tasks. However, the prompting method they used was overly simple and they experimented only with text versions of the task. They also performed evaluations using a more informative one-shot prompt for text version of tasks and experimented with similar zero and one-shot prompts for the multimodal case in which task grids were as given as images. They also found out that more information about one-shot prompt improved GPT-4's performance in the test case, but its performance remained well below that of humans and the special purpose Kaggle ARC program. They also found out that giving minimal tasks as images to the multimodal GPT-4 resulted in substantially worse performance than in the text-only case. So their results support the hypothesis that GPT-4, perhaps the most capable general LLM currently available, is still not able to robustly form abstractions and reason behind basic core concept in context not previously seen in its training data. It is possible that other methods of prompting or task representation would increase the performance of GPT-4 and GPT-4V, but I believe, and the researchers believe that too, that this is still in distant future. So that's it, guys. Very interesting paper. Have a read through it if you're worried about your job or you're thinking that AI is going to take over everything. I'll drop the link to this paper in video's description too, so enjoy. And if you have any thoughts, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.